Hello and welcome to my summary of my lesson plan. I chose textbooks and technology. This is the article that I had teaching through Tradebooks, Teaming Up, Tradebooks and Technology by Christine and Royce. So there was two different activities. I chose to do the one that helps me how. The purpose of it is to explore external structures that help animals survive, like survival instinct. So there's engaging, exploring, and it also connects to the NGSS Lead States 2013. These are the materials that you would need. The book, which is Creature Features by Steve Jenkins and Robin Page. It's for grades pre-K, was says it on here, through third. This is how I found the book. I have an Amazon Kindle account, so it charges you like $12 if you want to download it onto your phone or tablet. And then I also viewed it via YouTube video of somebody reading the trade book instead of me having to read it myself. I like to read it, but then I also rather hear it in someone else's words. And these are my observations from the lesson. The purpose of the lesson is greatly, especially since it mentions engagement. It's very important to always have your students engaged, to have focus and be entertained and interested in what they are learning. That way they want to do it, they want to participate, and they want to learn. The materials needed were just like basic materials, nothing too like hard to find. Always asking questions, plenty of open-ended questions. It explains more and get more detailed responses from the students. I would want to create a similar lesson plan using the same materials and base it off the book Creature Features with children with IEPs to make it easier for them, especially if some of them are still having like physical fine motor skills with doing little things like that. And these are the particular segments that contribute to the students' learning, like engaging maintains their attention span, their interest in the activity, exploring helps them to create more curiosity, intuitive learning, explain helps them to understand more questions or more open-ended questions, elaborating helps them to describe more in details what they're experiencing, what they're seeing, what they're observing, what they're doing, evaluate helps them to understand concepts of analyzing the things and ideas that may come their way from doing this experiment. Here's some of the materials to be used. There's the sorting cards of the animals, which they can sort by name of the animals. There's also, this helps me how animal structures. An animal I think of that has a unique feature that helps it to survive is, and then the student would fill them out, answering the questions, and inventive game clues. They can make it into a game, clues, pictures, or write a sentence, and animal sort groups. They can do it on the paper. You can make it fun with either having them draw it, cutting them out, coloring them, pasting them where they go, creating flannel pieces, pipe cleaners, being more creative with art supplies. And that's it. That is a summary of my lesson plan for Trade Books and Technology using Creature Features by Steve Jenkins and Robin Page.